When I'm not playing the basketball game, I reach for a Subway Eat Fresh sub.
Cut. It's not Subway Eat Fresh sub. It's just Subway sub.
Right.
For the last time, the sub isn't real. Please don't eat it. Don't even put your mouth on it.
I dropped the sub.
Can we get another sub? That's the only sub we have.
Subway has all the vitamins and nutrients I need to slam dunk in the basketball game.
Please don't slam dunk the sub. That's the only one we have. Is there a bite mark in the sub?
No. Eat fresh with Subway.
No, don't put your mouth on it.